the sum of the angle measures of a polygon. Now, a sum is the answer to an addition problem. So we're going to add the measure of the angles. And the simplest polygon is a triangle. So if you measure A and you measure B and you measure C and you add those measures up, you get 180 degrees. Let's write that out. We'll measure angle A, that'll be so many degrees, that's the size of angle A, and add the measure of angle B and the measure of angle C. When you add them up, you always get 180 degrees with a triangle. Okay? So, for instance, 22, if angle A has 22 degrees and B has 65 and C has 93, if you add those up, you're going to come up with 180 degrees. Okay? So what if we only have two of the angles? We have the measure of M, okay, and the measure of N and the measure of P. We should get 180. Now what if I know N and P, but I don't know what M is, okay? So you have the measure of M, and if you get N there, you're going to add the 55 degrees to it, and then you're going to add the what? The other angle, which is what? Okay, and that should give you 180. Because anytime you add three angles together, you're going to get 180 degrees for a triangle. So let's solve. Tell me how big angle M is. Let's erase all that, put that up at the top. And if you add 55 and 25, you add 55 and 25, you get 80. When you add this plus angle M, you should come up with 180. Okay? Now we're going to get rid of the 80 right now. Okay, so the measure of angle M is going to equal 180 minus 80 will be 100 degrees. Okay, so you can determine how big angle M is if you know the other angles. Okay, they have to add up to be 180.